Hello, good evening, guys. So tonight we're gonna open a blaster box of this Panini Chronicles football year 2021. It comes with 6 packs and 7 cards per pack. So we're looking for some prestige rookies that comes 4 per box on average, and also we're looking some pink parallels that comes 8 per box on average. Perhaps we can get lucky also and we can find some rookie cards from Flux and Magnitude. So here we go. For our first box. This is my first time opening these boxes, so I don't really know what to expect. Okay, we got Tom Brady, Trevor Lawrence, rookie card, Cordero Patterson, Kelly Mond, gold, rookie card. We got this clear one, Travis Etienne Jr., rookie card, Chuba Hubbard. That's a very nice texture. And Felipe Franks, pink parallel. Okay. For second pack, we got Josh Jacobs, running back, Darnell Mooney, wide receiver, Deebo Samuel, another wide receiver. We got a rookie card, a Flux one with Kenneth Gainwell, rookie card. We got another clear card here, Tutu Atwell. I like these clear cards actually. Those are the ones I like to collect. So I'm glad I already got 2. I got this Prestige of Rondell Moore, Arizona Cardinals rookie card, and I got a pink parallel of Brevin Jordan. Okay, third pack. Nico Collins, rookie card. Traquan Smith, rookie card. Jamar Chase, rookie card. Gold parallel, Amon-Ra St. Brown. Goes another plastic clear one of Kenny Gainwell. And we got Gridiron Kings, Devonta Smith for the Eagles. And a pink parallel of Ramondre Stevenson for the Patriots. These are good looking cards. I like this. Kind of artistic in some way. Too bad that's not very centered. Just like the other one, which is a little bit centered compared to this. But you know, sometimes it's the way it goes. We got Tua. He's a good player. Javonte Williams, rookie card. Corey Davis. Justin Fields, gold parallel. Gold or bronze? I think that's gold. We got Javonte Williams right here from Score. There's a hollow card. Looks pretty good. You can see a little bit of dimple right here on the side. Centered pretty well. You got Ben Roethlisberger pink parallel. And Khalil Herbert. Too bad it ain't Justin. All right, second to the last card. Let's see. Got Aaron Donald, Matt Ryan, Derek Carr. Got Jalen Waddle, scorecard. Got Derek Carr, clear card. With Justin Herbert, pink parallel, Chronicles. I like that. And we got Kenny Nwangu, pink parallel also. All right. So we got a few parallels right here. And a few honorable mentions in terms of player. Not very rare cards, but you know, they're pretty good players, so I can't complain. We got David Montgomery. Got Trey Lance, rookie card. Jeffrey Simmons. Tellen Wallace. Javonte Williams, clear card. I'm keeping those. Chuba Hubbard. And for our last card, we got a card of our Dallas Cowboys quarterback here, Dak Prescott, pink parallel. Unfortunately, he is hurt right now, but his replacement is not doing too shabby. But anyway, thanks for tuning in, guys, and see you next time.
I've been thinking about the good times. I've been sleeping through the long nights.